Brothers shot dead in St. James home invasion. Brother and sister last seen at cook shop reported missing. Baba Roots brewer shot and killed at home. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. Two men said to be brothers were gunned down in a home invasion in St. James early Saturday morning. The deceased have been identified as 20-year-old hotel worker Odin Thompson and 18-year-old chef Javon Thompson, both of Farmview, Green Pond in the parish. Reports are that about 2 a.m., residents heard explosions coming from the direction of the Thompsons' house in the community. Relatives reportedly made checks at the house about 6 a.m. and discovered the two with multiple gunshot wounds all over their bodies. The police were summoned and Odin was seen lying on his back in the living room with gunshot wounds to his head and upper body, while Javon was seen lying on his side on a bed in the bedroom with gunshot wounds to his face and upper body. No motive have been established for the deadly attack. 20-year-old Kerrick Moody and 22-year-old Kenisha Moody, a brother and a sister of Grange Hill District, Westmoreland, have been missing since Friday, December 8. Kerrick is of dark complexion, slim build, about 163 centimeters or 5 feet 4 inches tall, while Kenisha is of brown complexion, slim build, and about 135 centimeters or 4 feet 5 inches tall. Reports from the Black River Police are that about 7:15 a.m., Kerrick and Kenisha were last seen leaving a cook shop in Grange Hill. Their mode of dressing at the time they went missing is unknown, and they have not been heard from since. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Kerrick and Kenisha Moody is being asked to contact the Black River Police at 876-965-2232, the Police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. A Westmoreland businessman and brewer of popular energy drink, Baba Roots, was shot and killed at his Westmoreland home on Sunday morning. He has been identified as William Webb, otherwise called Baba Roots, of Darliston. The Westmoreland police stated that 4 gunmen reportedly invaded Webb's house through a window about 3:45 a.m. and shot him after a brief conversation. The gunmen also ransacked his room. However, the police are yet to determine the motive behind Webb's death.